So are brands also coming to you at Google to help them with how they can be more inclusive in their media plans? And I suppose what is in the toolkit for that?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I think we hear this often. The panel that we participated on, we certainly touched on it. I think that leaning into being inclusive and expanding audiences is so critical to delivering on ROI. I mentioned it earlier, but I think leaning into that expands your market, it builds your brand love, it also bolsters creativity, right? New audiences, you have to think about your message a little bit differently. And again, that's where I think partners like Channel Factory can lean in as well to deliver on some of the bespoke needs, but also really leaning into AI. So into things like more content insights. And I know you all have your own proprietary technology as well, which I think is really important. And then also allowing the system to really go out and expand these audiences, making sure that they have as much inventory to work with. And that's where the balance that you mentioned on using all these tools really comes in, because you can't overlay all of these tools and then still expect that, at least on the Google side, that the AI systems are going to optimize to the best of their potential to deliver on your goals. It has to be a balance of leaning into the controls and then also leaning into the AI technology.